Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to register a boat with no title in 2025. Step 1. Check state requirements. You should check your state laws. Every state is different. Some may allow registration without a title if the boat is old or came from a non-title state. Visit your local DMV or wildlife agency website. Step 2. Prove ownership. Provide proof of ownership. This could be a bill of sale, previous registration, or even a notarized statement from the seller. If you bought the boat without paperwork, try to locate the last registered owner. Step 3. Complete a title exemption or bonded title process. File for a bonded title or title exemption. If your state allows it, you may need to buy a surety bond, usually 1.5x the boat's value, to protect against ownership claims. Then apply for registration using that bond. Step 4. Get the HIN inspected. Some states require a hull ID number inspection by law enforcement or a certified marine officer to verify the boat isn't stolen. And finally, submit your documents, including ownership proof, inspection report, and title exemption or bond, to your state's agency. Pay the fees, and you'll get your boat registration. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.